Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are planning for the week of, I have to look at my day dots, the 9th through the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 15th. That's it, because Monday is the 16th. So we're planning for the 9th through the 15th in my Lights Planner Action printables. And what I really liked, I should show you last week first before I show you my pile of stickers I brought out. But here's what I'm loving about this spread, or layout. So I'm using this grid paper as like a brain dump section about kind of my roles and goals. And then over here, I kind of put a few to-dos, my video schedule, my husband's schedule, things like that. And then here's my weekly. This came out really nice. And then I'm using this part right now for our next week. And life is good. It's been really nice. So I'm very excited. So, and then you have your meal plan. And that starts over again. So the first thing we're going to do, first of all, I have a pile of stickers here. I should probably let you know what I plan on using. So I grabbed this Creating & Co. anti-kit. It's basically one page. You get some full boxes, some washi stickers, some swooshes, some deco. I like them because they're easy and I'm probably going to use them in one go, more than likely, especially with the way this spread is. And then I looked at the colors and I said, well, Coffee Planner Mom Blush Christmas really kind of goes with that. So I grabbed those extras that I have. So I was like, that works, especially that maroon. I felt like the maroon with this like deeper shade here. Nice. And then I was like, well, you know, there's purples and blues. Cosmos is probably going to be pretty good with it too. So I just grabbed a whole bunch of different decorative things to make my own spread, plus some functionals like the brain dump stickers, recycling, priority, laundry, things like that. So we have all of the things. Probably still have to grab a few. So we're going to go, I think we'll use the simple one. Sorry, heard strange noises. I think we'll use the simple one this week. And this I fill out on my own. You probably will only see an after the pen here. Over here, I think what I want to do is I'm going to actually switch this and make this, again, I think I'll make this my husband's schedule. Gray box here. Oh, I do have smaller boxes. Hang on. I do have quarter boxes. Or the label ones. I know I could just leave it as schedule, but why when I can make it pretty? And then I think over here, instead of to buy, this is going to be my video schedule for this week. Do I have an upload sticker still? I might. Let me see. Gardening, planning time, project, edit, upload. I do have upload stickers. Look at me, acting like I know what I'm doing. Happens occasionally. I think we'll keep with the simple for right now. So Coffee Planner Mom comes, like when you get her scripts, she tries to fit as many on the page as she can, but you get a brush and then a simple. It's going to be my upload schedule. Last week, I had a video that went up every day except for Saturday, so Sunday through Friday. But I think that's partly because of the beginning of the yearness of things. I think I'll end up using some deco in here. So that's going to be upload schedule, so we know Monday is catch-all. Tuesday is teacher. Wednesday is meal prep or meal plan. Thursday, I don't know if I'll have anything for this. Right now, my plan is Thursday is good. Oh, I do have a plan for this one because I've already got it scheduled. This one's going to be my reading challenges. This is going to be like my special pages day. Anytime I have special pages, it's going to go here. Or Happy Mail is going to be Thursday. That's going to kind of be those special one-off videos. And then right now, Friday is Flip Through Friday. Not sure what I'm going to flip through this Friday. Sometimes I won't have one. There's just nothing to flip through. But that's kind of my plan for the week. Look how many videos. That's weird. It's very weird. I'm not going to hold myself to it. Like, if it changes, it's okay. So yeah, and then events. I think I'll keep that way right now. Ooh, and then down here, I think I want to put quote of the week. Okay, I'll come back and possibly deco up there. I kind of want to see what happens on these pages next. And I'm deciding, let me move you a little bit. Okay, I think that's better. This time I'm not going to do any covers. I'm just going to put the numbers. These are ExoMama Plan numbers that I had gotten from a little kit, the Welcome Autumn, but I thought the greens went with these colors. Now, it's funny that I'm using kind of a, it's called Believe in the Magic, and it's kind of wintry. I mean, it's not weird because it's January, but right now, next week is supposed to be in the 40s. It's not going to be it's only going to be snowy in my planner. I'm okay with that. Definitely okay with that. Now let's see, to-dos. I thought about, I may not do the Cosmos kit. I don't know. Because I was thinking about maybe doing some Aurora Borealis. Is this? I could do like maybe these guys. Yeah, maybe we do these guys. I could also, because it's like magical, maybe I make it more like the wind. Oh, Holly. I think we're gonna do that. We'll put this one further down here. That's fine. Then that guy there. See, this is just, it keeps things very, very simple. I know I need to do my to-do list because it'll be laundry time. So let's use kind of steely blue. And then I have a little blue. So we'll just go ahead and write this week would be living room. I don't know why I feel like putting that there, but I do. And now we're going to do the floral one. We're going to put it over here. Why? Because I feel like it. Don't know why I feel like it, but I do. Let's do the purple here, the little purple swoosh. And then the next week, because this almost becomes a brain dump for pre-planning for the following time. And even though I have a meal plan sheet, I usually write my meals down over in this note section. So let's do wonderful. And let's add a few things like wolf there. He's more of like a fox. We'll put the wolf on this side. I love these moths. They're so pretty. Do another owl there. Now, Friday we do have an appointment, so maybe we do, it's in the afternoon, don't forget, and then this box. That's fun. That's super fun. Thursday, oh, let's not use that one. So we have game night here. I think we'll put it towards the top. And let's see, can I lift you up? I can. Do something like that. I like that. And we'll do the candles there too, since it's Pink Zebra. PZ Games. I haven't decided which game. I kind of want to do Battleship and I kind of want to do Trivia, and I haven't decided which one, and I'm moving out of frame. Sorry. My apologies. Then Tuesday is Pink Zebra TV Live. So let's use that. Fan. And then I can put the time down there. This is a freebie from Lisa Marie for Coffee Planner Mom Shop. I believe her code is still active, but I need to double check. Pretty positive. Eep. And let go. Let go. Let go of the sticker. I said let go of the sticker. Yep. Come on. Come on. Ha ha. This layout is really fun. I'm so glad I've tried it. Let's put, did I put these too close together? No, I think we can make it work. Books. I'll just kind of deco this part out. And florals. And then I think what I'm actually gonna, oh, I should put something down there. Oh, maybe these guys. The stars and the washi. And we'll do this apple down here. It's a little messy on that side, but we will make it work for the week. All right, let's go back and we'll add some deco to the side since we have the little things. So that guy there, this guy here. I love the little teacup, so I'm gonna put that there with the orange wedge. That next to weekly overview. And put the deer down here. And the sleepy fox right there. And I'll just add these guys. There you have it. So this is what the whole thing looks like for the week. Looking very nice. I'm very excited. So again, the kit, that one-page kit, was from Creating & Co. And then lots of extras from Coffee Planner Mom, because you know I just love her. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you all in the next one.